Psalm 46, also a psalm of the sons of Korah. And this is quite an interesting psalm again because it talks about how God is now, but it also seems to have a future connotation to it. You know, the Lord said He will turn the weapons into plowshares, and this has got some allusion to that. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, even though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the seas, though its waters roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with its swelling. Selah, think about that. There is a river whose stream shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacle of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God shall help her just at the breaking or at the break of dawn. The nations raged, the kingdoms were moved. He uttered his voice, the earth melted. Definitely sounds like end time stuff. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Selah. Just think about that. Come, behold the works of the Lord, who has made desolations in the earth. He makes war cease to the end of the earth. He breaks the bow and cuts, or the bow, and cuts the spear in two. He burns the chariot in fire. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Selah.